So we've got an Audi RS7 here. I'll show you a tutorial on the Ghost 2 on how to change passwords and servicing modes. So as you can see, once we are in this vehicle here itself, if I start the vehicle up as normal, the system will come on and stall itself straight away. So it's locked off, you cannot start. If I try to restart the engine, you will see exactly what it does. The same again. So if we switch the vehicle off, so to start the vehicle, you're simply going to press the start button. This will switch the ignition on. As you can see, we're going to input our demonstration password. At the moment, it's our driver's window up 4 times. We're going to get 2 blue flashes on the very bottom. That now operates the password and we can start the vehicle as normal. So let me just switch it off and restart the engine. That is now the system on and operational, as you can see. That is the system working. For changing of your password, you simply switch the vehicle off. When you're ready to change your password, you put your no feet on the pedals, just press your start button. So your dash lights will appear, your ignition turns on. We're going to enter the current password for the vehicle. So as you can see, the current password we have is driver's window up 4 times. We're going to get the 2 blue flashes at the very bottom. We can now put our foot on the accelerator all the way down to the floor, and we're going to enter the password again one more time. Once we have entered the password, you'll get a blue flash at the bottom. Once that blue flash appears, you can release your foot off the pedal and ready to program a new button or new code. Buttons you're going to have obviously are going to be your window buttons and a few on your steering wheel if it's a very old model. In this instance, we're going to use the same password to demonstrate it for you. So I'm going to change it to the same driver's window up 4 times. We're going to then see 3 flashes. We're going to then put our same password again. We're going to get 2 flashes to correspond it's correct and submitted. And that is the password changed. If I switch the vehicle off, that is all applicable. Now for servicing mode, all you do is you simply start your vehicle. System comes on. We're going to enter the password for the vehicle. You get your 2 flashes on your dashboard to correspond, obviously it's entered. After you've done so, you're going to do your driver's window up 5 times. This will now flash 5 times. So I've pressed it 5 times, and as you will see, that is 5 flashes to correspond it is in service mode. If we switch the system off, it is now ready for you to use your vehicle as normal. Now there is responds as no password. When you're collecting your vehicle, you must reinstate the Ghost. To reinstate the vehicle, you must start the car. See, we need to now enter your password as normal. So we're gonna switch on the ignition. You do your password as normal. You get your 2 flashes. That corresponds to Ghost is now working. So if I start the car, as you can see, system is on and it is ready and operational again. And that's how the Ghost works and operates on Audi RS7.